Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I traveled to Malaysia in early April 2018. I traveled for 7 days exploring 4 different cities with different climatic conditions and different culture. I would like to present my travel experience in multiple parts. So here is the part 2 of this travel series, Hopping in Langkawi.
We are going to gate number 10, which is our boarding gate for Kuala Lumpur. We were actually late and we had just 15 minutes for our dinner, and we couldn't find anything in veg. So we opted out to buy some. Cakes.
So we took an overnight bus to Kuala Lumpur from TBS at around 10:45 pm. It was around 5:30 in the morning when we reached Kuala Lumpur. We quickly freshened up and rushed to catch a 6 o'clock ferry to Langkawi. The ferry ticket was around 18 ringgits per person. Our journey completed in just 1 hour, exactly in the beautiful span of twilight. This place where we alighted is known as Kua Jetty. Langkawi. It is an archipelago of 104 islands in the Andaman Sea. It is around 30 kilometers away from the mainland Malaysia. This statue symbolizes a long back history of Langkawi, when this land was full of eagles and red stones. But in recent years, it has transformed itself to a major tourist hub. So we took a pre-booked taxi from the jetty for 30 ringgits to Chenang beach. Chenang beach is the main beach where all the action happens. We then soon checked into our hostel, Saluna Guest House. This was going to be our first ever hostel experience.
So it's around 12 o'clock and we just checked into our guest house. We had a good shower and now we are heading towards the Chenang beach. So we are done with our lunch. We had some awesome food at Mumbai Palace. We were dying to eat something Indian, so we had to eat that, and it was a bit costly. One sabji, one soup, and some rotis costed us around 50 ringgit. But because we wanted to eat something Indian, we thought of going ahead, and we are going back to our hostel. And it started raining in between. It's still drizzling, so I think I should keep my camera back inside. Have you ever seen any sand as white as this? This is totally different from whatever I have ever experienced.
So after a leisure walk to Chenang beach, we moved to have our dinner. We thought of trying something new, which was a terrible idea because we couldn't eat that food. We ended up having some mushroom noodles.
So this is day 3 and we are going to island hopping. So there are a set of 3 islands which we'll be exploring today. The weather was expected to be having a short rainfall along with some thunderstorms, but it doesn't look like we are going to have any thunderstorms or rain, but it's quite clear. Purva!
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
So it's 10 o'clock and we have reached our first island, which is Dayang Buting Marble. Now I don't know the exact meaning of it, but I'll search in meanwhile and let you know. So you kind of get this badge from this Dayang Buting office, which is your ticket for this island, and it is around 6 ringgits per person.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my
Going back now. I don't know which is the next island we are going to explore, but this one was damn good.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me
This is an eagle feeding point where you get to see the white-billed sea eagles. These are generally bigger than the normal eagles. Interestingly, around 30 to 40 eagles start hovering around the sky as soon as they see a boat. So if you want to see them very closely, offer them some food and they'll come to you at a very brisk pace. We are at Berabasa Island. Here you get 1 hour to have some food, click some photos and relax a bit. You can also enjoy some water sports here.
Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
Hello, my name is Apa.
Okay, apa?
I'm from Ipoh, but I work here in Langkawi.
Shahrukh.
Shahrukh
Oh.
Roshan, Karina Kapoor.
Oh, that's oh right. कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं नेपाल से हूँ।
नेपाल से? कितने साल हो गए इधर?
2 साल हो गया।
2 साल हो गया?